Alright, so on the Ramcharger, I decided I wanted to replace the spark plug wires. They were under warranty, so I just swapped them out. However, I've put the coil in a different location, so the wire is not long enough, the coil wire to the distributor. So I'm going to go through, and I think this little piece of extra wire I have from the cut-to-fit set that I did at one time is long enough. So I'm going to take this wire right here, and we see kind of how much is folded under and how it's put together. See the core in there, and replicate the same thing, and basically just take this apart with some of my tools and custom fabricate this spark plug wire right here. So that'll make it run a little better. I found out I was having some idle issues, kind of like the carburetor idle circuit just wasn't working. Change out spark plug wires to a new set and cleared it all up. So it's always the battle when you have some sort of drivability problem of is it ignition or is it fuel? So I'm going to try to show what I did here. So I went through the rubber outer. I had to cut all the way through that. The white inner, once there's a little bit of a cut, just a hair of a cut, I don't have to go all the way through, it can be bent and it'll actually pull apart. Might be a little bit left there. But you can see the white core just kind of rips apart once you get a little bit of a cut on it. And then this will pull out like that. So this black cord, you don't want to touch it with a razor at all. That's what is the conductor, and any damage to it is going to degrade the spark plug wire. So I grabbed it like that, and when I bent them out, it didn't warp the terminal end up. So anyways, that's complete. The grease that I have on there is the dielectric grease, so it works as a good lubricant for the boots, since I forgot to slide them on the wire before I put the terminal on twice. But anyways, that'll work. That'll get me going with a nice, good new coil wire. Okay, take two with the key. Got the coil wire in, and as I say, the proof's in the pudding. So how does it start? Guess I got a good coil wire on it.